Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Naturally Ebony. We're going to be going over Zotos Professional All About Curls today, and I can actually say this is a really great product. I'm going to be starting with the Daily Cream Conditioner as my co-wash. I wanted to hold that moisture in, and it did a great job. It had great slip. I'm also going to be using the Bouncy cream and the All About Curls boosting foam. I'm going to be working in small sections, applying the product from the root to the tip. Make sure your hair is well detangled, and you can see how the product makes my hair pop. It's so well defined. And that is the boosting foam, and I'm going to be using the claw method throughout the process. Let's grab another section and repeat. We're going to make a smaller section. Go ahead and separate that and get that out of the way. Bouncy cream, which has amazing slip. The Bouncy cream almost like melts into the hair follicle. It's amazing. Make sure that you grab enough. If not, you can always add more. And use the boosting foam. Detangle the hair. And we're going to use the claw method. Make sure you pull tight so the curls will clump together. And on a single strand or a couple strands, we can use the shingle method. I'm going to show you guys again. Use the Bouncy cream. Apply it from your root to your tip. Use the boosting foam. Detangle this section. Use the claw method. And on those two strands right there, those two strands, we're going to separate them and use the shingle method. Now let's go ahead and get the rest done. This is so important. Lots of moisture, lots of water. It's going to help you to see that. It's going to help make sure that you don't have any frizz. The extra water is going to make sure that you don't use excess product. It is the key. Water is key. You always want to make sure you do a good job around your face, because the curls around your face frame your face. Go ahead and give your hair a little shake. It helps with volume. Now we're going to go ahead and diffuse our hair until it's dry. The diffuser is your friend in the winter. Remember, the more you shake, the more volume. But do not put your fingers in your hair. And diffuse. Now our hair is fully dry. We can go ahead and pick the scalp and get as much volume at the scalp as you'll like. Or you can pick it a little bit more every day and your hair get a little bigger every day. You can separate your curls to give you more volume. You can also diffuse the ends of your hair to do the stretch method, to give you a little more length because the shrinkage is real. I'm looking for medium volume today. I know my hair is gonna get a little bigger every day, so this is good enough volume for today, and it will get bigger and better every day I wear it. I'm Naturally Ebony, and thank you for watching.